We need some ambulances. It's sad. We flipped and, oh, God.
Listen to me. Is it just one vehicle?
No, in the 4-5. There's another child in the ditch.
I couldn't understand how, at that time, how God could allow that to happen.
We had over 180 years of life taken. Future life, not 180 years lived, but 180 years of future life taken. And 2 of those were my wife and daughter.
He may think he's gotten away with something, but he hasn't gotten away with anything.
There's Ethan Couch. Man, he did think he got away with something. He gets drunk, kills 4, only gets probation. Then he violates probation, being at a party where there's booze being served, so he and Mom run off to Mexico. They're now back, and today we're finding out a judge recommends to move Ethan Couch's case from juvenile to adult court. So does this mean he's going to be a little bit closer to actually paying a price for his deadly actions? Yodit Tewolde joins us now, an attorney right there in Texas, been following this so closely. So, Yodit, what did the judge exactly say here?
Well, the judge is he basically determined that his case is going to be transferred over to the adult court, and that's not a surprise. We obviously know that he violated probation. The video that surfaced on Twitter is where everything sort of started, and that was going to be a little difficult to prove. However, it wasn't going to be hard for the prosecutors to establish that he violated when he didn't report to his probation officer, and obviously when he ran away to Mexico. So once that was established, then the judge had to determine whether he was going to move his case over to adult court, and clearly that was made. And for obvious reasons, we all know the court of public opinion. I mean, this case has garnered national attention because people want to see Ethan Couch finally pay for what he did and take some responsibility. And I mean, if you really think about it, this case should have been in the adult court from the very beginning. He should have been certified and tried as an adult and suffer adult consequences. So his case moving over to the adult court is the absolute right decision.
Okay, let's talk about, right now he's behind bars and has been since February 5th. How much more time is he going to be behind bars? Do we know that right now?
Well, he's currently on probation for intoxication manslaughter. And in Texas, in intoxication manslaughter, if you're going to be placed on probation, there's a mandatory minimum of 120 days in jail. So if he were to go, and he's going to adult court, if he's sentenced to 120 days, which he has to do as a condition of his probation, then he would essentially be starting all over. So the time that he's spending in jail now would not count towards the 120 days as a condition.
Got it. So it's from day of sentencing, for lack of a better term. Well, tell us about...
Right.
Okay. So it's beyond his 19th birthday, April 11th, that we kind of thought that he was going to get out. It could go beyond that.
Right.
Okay, got it. So let's talk about the move to adult court. So he violates probation as an adult. That's serious consequences, right?
Absolutely. And if history is any indication as to how Ethan Couch is going to perform on probation, I have no doubt that we will be seeing him in court on a violation, and that's going to have way more severe consequences because at this point, he is going to be supervised under the adult supervision. And so the judge can assess any conditions that he would like. And at this point, the judge can stack. And what that means is if he were to violate probation, he's looking at between 2 and 20 years. However, his case was originally probated. He was given 10 years of a sentence, probated for 10 years probation. So the judge, if he were to find that he violated his probation under adult supervision, could assess 10 years per victim.
Wow.
And if he does it per victim, then that would be 40 years if he orders them to be served consecutively, meaning one after the other. So he's looking at 40 years.
A lot of folks are saying finally serious jail time could be in the offering if he violates. And we all know adult probation or supervision is much stricter. Ankle monitors, obviously stricter set of conditions on booze and things like that. So we'll
Absolutely.
See, yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Yodit Tewolde, appreciate it. Talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.